northwestern Richmond County in east central Virginia, Westmoreland County in east central Virginia, until 2 a.m. Saturday.
That just said dam
break. At 2:13 p.m., dam operators reported the failure of Chandler's Mill Pond, causing flash flooding downstream on the Chandler Mill Run and Cat Point Creek. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding from the failure of Chandler's Mill Pond. Dam operator. Life-threatening flash flooding of areas downstream from the Chandler's Mill Pond along the Chandler Mill Run and Cat Point Creek. Residents along Chandler Mill Run and Route 622 at Cat Point Creek. This includes the following streams and drainages: Cat Point Creek, the Chandler Mill Run and Cat Point Creek. If you are in low-lying areas below the Chandler's Mill Pond, you should move to higher ground immediately. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: in Virginia, Richmond, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has extended the flash flood warning for southern Richmond County, central Virginia, southern Westmoreland County in east central Virginia, northwestern Northumberland County in eastern Virginia, until 5 p.m. At 1:44 p.m., Northumberland has rain across the border area. Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Rapidan River near Culpeper until late tonight. At 1:45 p.m. Friday, the stage was 12.6 feet, or 0.4 feet below flood stage. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 13.2 feet late this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage this evening. Impact: at 13.0 feet, farmland near the river between Rapidan and Raccoon Ford begins to flood. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 13.5 feet on April 17, 2011. This is a speed around 5 miles an hour. Sunday, cloudy. Issued at 2:24 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for east central Richmond County, northwestern Northumberland County, until 5:30 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., local law enforcement reported vehicles becoming stranded and road closures. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Guess not. Let's get in the Wego, but what did I get into?
Gideon and Middleton's corner. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Virginia, Northumberland, and Richmond. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage. following county: Henrico, Virginia. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some will experience flash flooding include Petersburg, Hopewell, Colonial Heights, Virginia State University, Fort Lee, Prince George, Richmond AM College, New Bohemia, Burgess, Petersburg Airport, and Jordan Virginia, Colonial Heights, Hopewell, and Petersburg. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Virginia, Chesterfield, Dinwiddie, and Prince George, and the following independent cities: Colonial Heights, Hopewell, and Petersburg.